meron siyang sariling built-in stand. Ayan guys. So kung kagaya nyo rin ako mahilig manood ng movies, videos using your phone. Hi guys, especially sa mga Vivo phone users dyan kagaya ko, at kung naghahanap ka ng kakaibang phone case for your phone, perfect dahil meron ako mararecommend sa'yo ng new phone case design na kakaiba guys. And ito siya guys. I have here this phone case for my V29. Aside from this aesthetic and glittery looking, ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung four corners niya na merong bump. Ganyan. Talagang masisecure niya from any scratches or internal damage yung phone natin once na aksidenteng nabagsak or nabitawan natin, kasi nga marireduce na yung impact guys with this four corners na bump na to. And aside from that, meron siyang sariling built-in stand. Ayan guys. So kung kagaya nyo rin ako mahilig manood ng movies, videos using your phone, I can use this portrait or landscape. Meron din siyang sariling mini mirror dito, small mirror guys. If you want this to also marami pang available colors, i-check nyo lang yung product link sa baba.